In this video, we will teach you how to say 50 everyday foods. This will help you better understand native speakers of English. Pizza, hamburger, fried chicken, croissant, sushi, spaghetti bolognese, lasagna, schnitzel, fried eggs, pancakes, soup, meat sandwich, noodles, sausage skewers, fish, bacon, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, omelet, poached eggs, lobster, steak, prawns, French fries, roast potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potato wedges, hot dog, meatloaf, roast beef, roast chicken, quiche, salmon, beef stir-fry, meatballs, souvlaki, roast pork, fish and chips, barbecue brisket, cheese platter. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Click on the subscribe button. Apple pie, cheesecake, donuts, bagel, waffles, cupcakes, chocolate, chocolate chip cookies, ice cream, coffee and cake. I bet that would have made you hungry by now, right? I need to tell you something very important. Make sure to practice your English every day. This will help you understand the language and how to use words in the right way. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day.